Welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Jen Bell, your technology advisor, and today I wanted to talk about the managed services offering we have here at TeamLogic IT. Our managed services offering is focused on preventative IT, responsive IT, and proactive IT. It includes many of the core technology solutions needed by small businesses today. Remote Services is available Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. to solve your technology problems and answer questions. We also provide real-time monitoring of your workstations, servers, and networking. Managed endpoint security, email security, and dark web monitoring is also provided to help keep your network safe from today's threats. Please reach out today to learn more about TeamLogic IT Managed Services. Until next time.